Alright guys, so I have to tell you about this ponytail beanie. Not only does it keep your head warm, but it is convenient and comfortable and so easy to use. So if you've ever wanted to rock a ponytail or a messy bun while wearing a beanie, this is your go-to item. Alright, so I'm going to show you a few styles, okay? Super simple. For the basic ponytail, pull your hair up, put it in a comfy ponytail, then just slip the beanie on, overhead, pull your ponytail through, like so. Adjust your ponytail however you like it fitted, whether it's a tight ponytail or loose. I like tight. And there you go. Perfect. You could also rock a bun. All you gotta do there is make a bun. And there you go. Messy bun, warm head. And then there's one other style if you're feeling really adventurous. Take the beanie off, start over, pull your hair half up. Doesn't matter how it looks at this point, because you're gonna put the beanie on. I like to tie mine first, just to make it easy. And you simply put the beanie on. Again, pull your hair through and readjust to make either a ponytail or a bun. It's up to you at this point. I'm gonna make a ponytail. And pull, adjust, and there you go.